Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation, and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to download the Windows install ISO. The only reason we have to do this video is because Windows now defaults to having an installation media that downloads the ISO, which not always what people want. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see here, using Microsoft's Bing, you have to scroll down past other stuff to get to what we need. So as you can see here, there's even a new version to download. So if you go down here, it says download tool now, and it does a Windows 10 installation media, which is this huge multi-part interface that downloads the ISO, installs it to a media device of your choosing, or upgrades, and then deletes the ISO, and it does all of that for you. Some of us like a little bit more control over our installation, and that's what we're going to do here. So even if you were to go to more download options, none of these really enable you to download the ISO directly. So in order for you to do it, you have to trick the browser into thinking you're not actually a desktop. You're going to hit F12, and then right here where it says toggle device emulation, which is Control-Shift-M, here you'll do, it doesn't really matter as long as it's not a computer, we'll do an iPad, and then we're going to refresh the page here. And because it's not a browser, it can't run the Windows installation media, so it gives you the ability to just directly download the ISO, and you can still click on the page. So we're going to go ahead and click the page here, and then click confirm, and then we're going to choose the language. We are doing English. Then you're going to do confirm again. After clicking confirm again, you'll get this screen where you have to download either the 32, and we are going to download the 64-bit edition. And once that's been done, you can see the regular sized download link down here. Now you can switch this back to responsive and refresh the page. Close the developer tools. And now you have successfully downloaded the Windows 10 ISO, going around Microsoft's installation software. I do believe that is the end of the video. So let us know down in the comments what tutorial video you would like us to do next, and we'll go ahead and catch you guys next time.